Hopefully I can get this thing back together today finally. It's been like this for about 3 weeks now. Just have to modify the intercooler. Check out this beast. It's got some character. I have an interesting piece there. Don't know what that is. What are we doing?
Intercooler.
Intercooler, yeah. Intercooler what? Modification. Yeah. How close can you get to this line? Can he weld on the line, or does he need to be back a bit? Does he need space or what? I don't know.
Space, 1/8.
1/8? So like this?
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let me go check to the car real quick. That's really set up nicely to go straight in there. Got enough space for our brackets on these two top points and the bottom points. Those will be stainless. Then this will be, it's good you had me do this, so I'm probably gonna put it right about there. Delivery. All our new joint hoses, elbows, connectors, hose clamps. Should be 24 of these. 12, 24, good. And this will be very helpful getting that intercooler installed. So we got our long elbows, got our short elbows, and we got a couple straight pipes. So with this,
Oh, they're
Finally.
just no, they're just putting gravel.
Just putting gravel in, yeah. Holy crap. Wow. When it's clear, yeah? Huh?
It's smoother.
Yeah, definitely. Smoother and definitely faster. to 2.5 inch, which is 63 millimeter, to the intercooler. So obviously it comes in underneath the fender, inside the fender well, and then exhaust to here, comes up and back into the original intercooler. So at some point, I haven't decided what intercooler I'm going to choose yet. They make intercoolers that actually fit right here in the original condition, but upon doing the measurements, it turns out that it's actually slightly smaller than the original. So I'm not sure what kind of performance benefit that's going to be. It's going to be stronger, so it can handle more boost. I'm thinking I could probably find something more efficient than what they currently offer on the market. So I'm going to find something that generally fits this space, and then customize the bracket, the intercooler bracket, to fit a larger intercooler, and then I may slightly modify the hole here. I may cut this a bit larger to accommodate the larger intercooler. So I think that's probably, once I do that, I think that'll probably be enough on the intercooler side. Then with the extra boost from the BMW E30 fuel pump, 44 PSI, I think that'll be good with fuel delivery as well. So all coming soon. Thanks for watching, I appreciate it. Also appreciate you guys' positive comments, feedback, and